Welcome to Copilot. I'm Amanda Pritchard from UT Dallas Office of Information Technology, and I've got several updates to share from Microsoft's recent enhancement to Copilot, which they're calling Copilot 2.0. In this session, we're going to explore the exciting new features of Copilot, and I'm going to guide you through the basics of navigating the browser-based platform. So whether you're a new user or power user, you're going to want to make note of the changes to the interface because there are several changes. So what's new with Copilot? Probably the first thing you'll notice is the enhanced conversational abilities. What I mean by that is that Copilot can now understand and respond to a wider variety of topics with improved accuracy and context awareness. You may have noticed in the past, sometimes your prompts needed a little fine tuning, and you're less likely to see that now in the enhanced version. Microsoft uses natural language processing, so those interactions are smoother and more intuitive thanks to those processing capabilities. You may notice it seems a little friendlier or considerate in your responses. You, of course, can also tailor your experience by setting those preferences and providing feedback. The same technique as before and using that thumbs up or thumbs down buttons will help improve the responses it generates for you. After submitting a prompt, I highly recommend you give it a little bit of feedback each time because that's going to help in its iterations for you in generating those responses. By giving it that feedback, it's going to indicate that it was either helpful or accurate. And it's going to make sure that Copilot is learning based on what you want and it will improve for you. So if those responses too are inaccurate, you can also fine tune and edit so that it knows what it did was wrong. When you log in, you're going to notice a little bit of difference too to the browser-based platform. The home screen looks familiar, and you'll be greeted by the same general screen where you can start those new conversations or continue where you left off. A notable feature of change is that you'll notice that the shield icon in the upper right corner, which used to be identified by its green color, is now simply an outline. This change is just a change in the design features, not a change at all in the functionality of the program. Your interactions and your prompts are still not seen by another human, but they are on the back end able to be reviewed and refined for future enhancements. As always, be considerate and be aware of anything that you're putting in the AI tool for your prompts. That said, I want to call your attention to a couple new popular features that are within this main interaction area of Copilot. You'll see that you can still type in your queries, and a little bit different is in that upper right corner where there is session storage. What that means is your recent chats with Copilot now are stored during that session, so you can view them directly in the chat window or the sidebar. If you've ever been guilty of forgetting to copy or remember what a previous prompt was, it does have that access to the previous sessions where you can navigate to those saved chats in the sidebar. In case you do need to pick up on conversations or continue something where you left off, you're able to navigate there and be able to edit or delete those conversations. This is ideal if you do have a previous prompt that you like to use over and over, or that you might need to iterate slightly differently to get different results. By using those, you're able to refine and pick up on those conversations. Now, you're still able to copy any of the content that you have. After you've generated the prompt, you can use the copy icon to be able to pull the prompt and the content responses and paste that into whatever else you're using, whether it's Word, Teams, or any other application, so that you can continue to brainstorm and reiterate and refine those conversations that you've started. I hope that this general overview gets you excited to get the most out of Copilot 2.0. Explore these new features, personalize your experience, and enjoy this seamless navigation on the new browser-based platform. If you have any questions or ever need further assistance on ways to use Copilot, please don't hesitate to reach out. We are here to help.